full stack engineer, and it's been around 6.5 years for me to working as a full stack engineer. I started my career back in 2017, and since then I've been working with uh, the big kind of startups in Canada and US, just like this one, which is LetHub. This was I worked as a senior full stack engineer with them as well, and built the whole product from scratch, from ground up. It's an AI powered assistant. I just joined them back in January 2020 as well, and then after that I just switched to Capable. So that's a full stack that's a supply chain solution SaaS product, and also I built this one from scratch as well. I lead the team here of around 5 engineers under me, and to build this product from scratch. And I also kind of got a chance to build some of the AI powered solutions for Canada and other countries as well, like Divi, which is AI powered advertising solution, and Code.world, which is AI powered recruitment text software. And also I have, like, it's been around more than 2 years, like since I've been working with GPT and LLMs to build SaaS solutions on top of that. Mostly the tech stack I've been working is the Python backend, the Next.js. This one is built on Next.js as well, and the Next.js on backend, and Postgres deployed on Heroku, Wasal, AWS, and DigitalOcean. So these are also some of the solutions per product I have built. So that's a bit brief about me. I have immense experience and domain knowledge around the AI SaaS solutions and full stack development, and yeah, and also kind of worked as a lead.